Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keeps restarting after iOS 17 update. There are many causes for the iPhone keeps restarting problem. Although it is not common issue that new or old iPhone users face, it is serious for those who have to experience it. If you have been affected by the problem, you would wonder why my iPhone keeps restarting and how to fix it. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check and update applications. There might be problematic app on your iPhone that is causing the iPhone restarting error. It's always best to make sure all the apps are working well and are updated to the latest version available. If one or more app have pending updates, for this go to App Store. Next tap on account icon. From here you can see if any app need update and you are done. And the next step is update iOS version. An interrupted iOS update can lead to the iPhone keeps restarting or freezing. Therefore, you should make sure that no interruption is caused when updating your iOS. If an interrupted iOS update has already caused the problem, it's better to install the updates again. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, and then tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is factory reset your iPhone. If nothing seems to work for the iPhone restart problem, you should take the hard initiative to factory reset your iPhone. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, and then tap on Erase all content and settings. Next, tap on Continue and then tap on Erase iPhone to confirm again, and then enter your Apple ID and its password to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is remove your SIM card. Consider removing your SIM card when the network is the real culprit behind your iPhone restarting loop or freezing your iPhone. As the SIM card connects your device to a wireless carrier, removing it will troubleshoot any issue due to wireless carrier connection. If the problem goes away, reboot your phone and insert the card afterward, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone keeps restarting after iOS 17 update. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.